Welcome! In front of me I have Maimo Watch DCAE, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Maimo Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So find the icon of the app and tap on it. Once the application opens, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on it you should see your Maimo Watch DCAE. Now scroll down, find the option called More and tap on it, and wait until the watch is done syncing with your phone. And as you can see right here at the bottom, we have the remove button. Tap on it, then tap on remove, and the watch will be removed from the app. It will basically disconnect and reset itself to the factory default settings. And now we can close the app, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.